everybody, it's Regina Falango. It's a new tutorial to show you how to play with my new collection, Joli Novembre. And especially why, not why, how to play with this mask, this new mask I draw, and I show you why to play with this collection, the accents, the blending mode, and this special mask. Here we go. I take a paper sample. Hop. This one. In this collection you have paper with color soft and another part with color more hard. So the mask. In the back of the mask you see I have several masks in the same color, in the different colors. It's the color of the kit. I'm going to show you later why I put different colors. You have a traditional mask, black, and frames. You have also frames in the back frames. So I'm going to take the white one. Usually the mask is black, but this mask can work with white mask. You see, it's just stroke I draw with a Canva texture, and it's very fun to make composite page like this. It's very easy. Up, take a picture. One mask, one picture, and you use the clipping mask here, create a mask. If you want make a composite, it works very well with the large picture. Here you can put the texture beyond the picture too. Up. Up. And you can take another picture. This is another mask for this. It's the beginning of my composition. Up. Up. You have to take the two layers, mask and picture, to move the it's a game with the mask. You can multiply if you want more dark, you duplicate this layer. And you see this highlights the detail of the picture. You can play with the color mask. This red. I put like a background. can duplicate. More you duplicate the mask, more is dark. And you can choose an element or accent or transfer of the kit. Like this leaf, and you can put on your composite. And duplicate. Put in another way. You can play with the mask in this way, and you can take the little from. It's very difficult to say from when we are French. From, like this. If you put under the composition, it's blending in the page. If you don't like, you put, and you can choose to highlight a part of the composite. Nope. I want to put this red for this picture. Et voilà, you see more the detail of the picture. You can also play with this mask. Hop. Put on the top of your composite. Like this or like this. And take an element or another picture. Or I'm going to take the fox. I like this little fox here. The transfer you can easily put on the page like this, but you can also it's very cool like that. In the red. Where is the fox? Is here? Here. If you want to see more, duplicate the layer. This one, duplicate, put on the top, and voila. This is the way to play with this mask. I have make one composition to show you how the masks are also on colors. They can play. They can You can put it on the background to change the color of the background. The last thing I want to show you is why to play with this kit, with this paper, for example. No, don't be afraid to have papers with many image. I'm afraid my video don't work. So you can put on this paper another piece of paper to hide a little and to play with this kit. Sorry, I can't finish this video because my Photoshop don't work. I make a tutorial in English today. So voila. I hope you have understand how to play with mask. Au revoir.